got legs. It's got legs, that's for sure. Look at it go. But this thing is about 100 horsepower up. Say we have a car that's also non-virgin, non-aero, but with a similar amount of horsepower, just in a Supra. All right, Colby, round two. Back in the TA90, TimeAttack 90.
So here we are going out for the battle against Jackie's Supra instead of Harold's. So this should be a lot more interesting.
I have SPL arms, right hand coilovers, AMS downpipe and tune with an EcuTech. Makes about 460 horsepower and 530 torque.
And here we go, we're off in the first lap. Let's see what happens.
Those spec Miatas definitely got in the way. round 2 of the battle with the TA90 aeroless and a stockish C8. It's closer than, honestly, I would have probably imagined, I think, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm seriously impressed by the C8. I know a lot of people, I know I kind of gave it a little bit of a knock and everything, but it's seriously good, Kobe.
Yeah, no, I agree. It impressed me for sure. Again, there's no aero, so it's a little sketchy. You have smaller front tires, but out of the box, running low 2 minutes, any car at VIR running low 2 minutes out of the box is very impressive.
I agree with that.
Obviously, your car put the hurting on it in the straights compared to Harold's, but it was good.
It's not stock anymore. Thank you, AMS. We've got our revenge on the C8. But seriously, I'm really impressed.
I am too. I honestly didn't expect it to be that close, especially with your car. And, and I mean, it's fast out of the box, man. I think a little bit of aero, bigger tires, it's going to be awesome. It'll
be really good. So we'll maybe come back in the future and play more with the Kaizen boys and this C8 in the future. Maybe by then we'll throw the aero on the TA90 as well, and this will be aeroed up. This will have some more suspension tuning to tune out some of the kinks in the suspension geometry, but it's awesome. It's really fun.
Yeah, and don't forget, if any of you guys live close, you can come rent this and tear it up yourself. Come have fun, man.
You can, I can't. I gotta pay too. All right, thank you all very much for watching, and see you next time, Kobe.
Yeah, man, appreciate it.
I will take you.